So this system allows one to indicate any position in the sky by two references points, the time from the meridian and the angle from the horizon. Of course, since the earth rotates, your coordinates will change, and after a few minutes, the purpose of a geographic coordinate system is a system that uses a three-dimensional spherical surface to determine locations on the earth. So any location on the earth can be referenced by a point with longitude and latitude coordinates. So system are used latitude and longitude and universal transverse Mercator are two global coordinate system commonly used by GPS users. So many other coordinates system exist worldwide. So the geographic coordinate system is a spherical or ellipsoidal coordinate system for measuring and communicating position directly on the earth and latitude and longitude. So it is the simplest, oldest, and the most widely used of the thousands of spatial references system that are in use, and forms the basis or most others. So the second question is the different types of map projection, the charts produced under particular uses, the use of a navigational chart according to its scale. So the first map projection is cylindrical. So by focusing light on a thin along one axis, so they are useful in several research and industrial applications. So typically cylindrical lenses are used in laser diode application, so optical data retrieval and storage system, so and scanning techniques, optical meteorology, and spectroscopy and optical measurement. And the second one is conic. So what are some real life applications of conics? So planets are travel around the sun in elliptical routes at one focus. So mirror used to direct light beams at the focus of the parabola are parabolic. So parabolic mirrors in solar ovens focus light beams for heating. So the third one is azimuthal. So the azimuthal equidistant projection is used for radioseismic work, as a very place in the world will be shown as its true distance and directions from the point of tangency. So the last one is the conventional projection or a mathematical projection. So projections are pure mathematical constructions designed to map the entire sphere with minimal distortion. So the Euler angles for constructing oblique forms of these projections are specified in the same way as for the cylindrical projection. And use of a navigational chart according to its scale. So this refers to a ratio physical distance on the chart to physical distance in the real world. On a chart with a 1:25,000 scale on 1 inch on the paper, chart is equal to 25,000 inches in the real world. So the third question is general information obtained from the navigational charts, including its symbols. And so a chart for a navigator showing the prevailing meteorological and hydrographic and navigational condition. So a map designed to assist navigation by air of chart. A chart of navigator showing the prevailing of meteorological and hydrographic and navigational conditions. So a map designed to assist navigation navigation by air or sea. So nautical chart is one of the most fundamental tools available to the mariner. So it is a map that depicts the configuration of the shoreline and seafloor. So it provides water depths, location, and of dangers to navigation. So location and characteristic of aids to navigation and anchorage and other features. So the importance of knowing understanding the chart, symbols and abbreviations is many different types of symbols and abbreviations are used on nautical charts. So this system provides a marine with a quick way to determine the physical characteristic of the the charted area and information on aids to navigation. And that is all my learnings on the prelim topic or the lesson that we had, and I hope that I hope that in the future some people can learn with this course. Thank you.